Hi, 8 Days of Hope family. We are so excited to introduce you to ConnectHope, our volunteer platform. We are grateful that you're joining us today as we love and serve those in need across the country. Getting started in ConnectHope is easy. Open your internet browser and type 8daysofhope.com. From here, click the ConnectHope button in the top right corner of the page. On the ConnectHope landing page, scroll down. On the right-hand side, you'll see New Volunteer. Click the Register Now button to make your volunteer profile. First, you'll be asked to input your contact details: your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and your mailing address. Then we have a few more questions: your t-shirt size, gender, and birthday. All volunteers registering to serve with 8 Days of Hope must be 16 and older to have their own ConnectHope account. For trips where minors are invited to attend, like our rebuilding trips, adults over 21 will be able to add minors right on their event registration form. After you fill out your details, create a password for your account and click Register as a volunteer. Congratulations! You've now completed your volunteer profile and are ready to serve with us whenever we deploy. On your ConnectHope homepage, you can access upcoming events, modify existing volunteer registrations, and update your profile information. If you see a volunteer opportunity that interests you, simply click View and Register under that opportunity. Here you can see details about the event, download the FAQs, or print parental consent forms for outreaches that allow you to bring minors with you. Don't forget, all minors who attend without their parents must be with a guardian who is at least 21 and must bring a signed and notarized parental consent form. To volunteer for an event, simply click Volunteer. Your main contact information will already be filled out. Just add in the remaining details that the form asks. Be sure to select all available dates you wish to serve. Dates do not have to be successive. Heads up, if you're bringing minors with you to an event and staying in 8 Days of Hope men's or women's lodging, the minors must have a parent or chaperone of the same gender with them in that lodging facility. If this isn't possible, we ask that you stay in a tent, RV, or hotel off-site. Finally, scroll to read the entire volunteer release form. Click Submit, and you've just registered to serve with 8 Days of Hope. A confirmation email is headed to your inbox shortly with more event details. When you head back to the My Events page on ConnectHope, any event you've signed up for will show under your upcoming events. You can click into this event to edit your registration at any time. Other volunteer opportunities will appear below it when we have them available, showing more ways for you to get involved. If you wish to update your profile information, simply click your name and then Edit Profile in the top right corner of the page. From here, you can update any information necessary, such as phone number, email address, and more. You'll also see your skill sets and qualifications. You provide your construction skill sets when you register for an event, like our rebuilding trips. Qualifications are added by an 8 Days of Hope admin member and include things like our trainings, being a part of the National Leadership Program, and having a background check on file. All volunteers that serve with our Safe House ministry must complete a background check. As volunteers join ConnectHope, our 8 Days of Hope admin team will update these qualifications. If you ever need help with your profile, simply visit the Help Center at the bottom right side of the page, and a member of our 8 Days of Hope team will reach out to you with assistance soon. We are so excited that you are now ready to serve with us. We can't wait to see you on a future trip with 8 Days of Hope.